The reason I chose RMU was mostly because of the interview. That process was a lot more personal than any of the other schools I applied to. Just the way that they carry it out made it so personal.
All of the people who went to RMU that I worked with had nothing to say but good things. They said the faculty here was amazing, the courses were hard, but they were manageable and you learn a ton. And I really loved that aspect of it.
The faculty take great pride in making sure the students really are prepared and capable and functioning above the level that a lot of PT students finish their curriculum with. They come in almost afraid to interact with patients, not knowing when to do things, what to say, and by the time they graduate, they're amazing. They just grow so much in the 2.5 years they're on campus.
One of the unique experiences that I've gotten from RMU is probably the clinic in which physical therapy students go to and offer services. It's been great because I get the pleasure of hearing how we've helped patients. They will tell me their story and their many injuries and how they keep coming back to the clinic, and I'm just amazed at how much we can do even just as students.
If you're not sure about coming to RMU, then I say talk to the faculty, talk to the current students. I think the education I'm getting here is maybe the best in the world.
It really does feel like a second home here, and you will be treated as a person, not as a number, which is what we all want.